Hey everyone, welcome back. So I don't know what you did today, but if you didn't buy the dip today, like I said yesterday, I don't know, folks, but I'm gonna show you a couple things today, and this is gonna be a short video. Two things I did today. See that guy that I have shown on the screen? Okay, you see this? When he hit the 100 moving average, you see where it hit and exactly where it bounced? I ended up buying 40 shares of Tesla today. 40 shares. Why? I believe in the company. You know, I believe in the company. And I said that this could potentially hit the 600s. I said it yesterday. And some people listened to me. Some other people were like, no, you're crazy. This thing is going down. I'm like, no, no way, Jose. This is not happening. No way. This is not going to happen with Tesla. There's a lot of noise in the market today. Yesterday, there was a lot of frothiness. You know, we were like trading up and down, up and down. You know, you could see it from January all the way to today. I mean, it was like the same thing at Tesla. Folks, you want to buy on days like this one. Okay. I'm going to show you what Tesla did today. I mean, this was carnage right here. I mean, this thing opened up. Jay Powell was going to speak, and it dropped all the way to 619. Okay. When I saw that, I don't know what to say, folks. I was like, I'm in. I'm definitely in. So I ended up buying 40 shares. Now I have a larger position, but days like this is what you're going to take advantage. I also wanted to bring this up. Kathy Wood, ARK Invest, pretty much the head of ARK Invest, she came up in CNBC today and they made some buying. And the reason why I wanted to say this is they ended up buying 240,000 shares of Tesla. See, when ARK invests, and by the way, ARK Invest Innovation ETF, ARKK, that's my favorite ETF. I don't invest in any other index fund than that one. If you're gonna invest in an index fund nowadays, upcoming for the next 10 to 20 years, you want to buy ARK. Why? Because they focus on innovation, and I think those are growth stocks. That's a growth sector, and the next 20 years are gonna be hot for that. So about that, I noticed they bought 240 shares of Tesla. They bought almost 1 million shares of Twitter. The other ones that really interest me, there are 70,000 shares of Facebook. Okay, this is what they bought today. Okay, this is what they bought. Kathy Wood, ARK Invest post purchases for Tuesday. Just all this. So, folks, this is going up. I mean, it's gonna go up. You do your own research. You do your own homework. I'm just putting it in here. It's just very obvious. It's obvious. You have to buy the dip on the companies you really like. I said it yesterday, and I will say it again. Buy the companies you like. I'm going to continue to buy Facebook. If it drops tomorrow, I'm going to continue to buy Tesla, and I'm going to continue to buy Twitter. These are the companies that I'm going to continue to buy, and there's nothing that will prevent me from buying them. So folks, I mean, like the same thing with Apple. You know, it dropped. Everything dropped. I ended up buying like 50 shares of Apple today. I ended up buying at the dip right somewhere here. And the other ones that I bought today was Palantir. I ended up picking some Palantir at 25. I didn't buy the dip, none of them. Tesla, I ended up buying at 640. Apple, I ended up buying at around 620, 621. And then Palantir, I ended up buying like at 25. Like somewhere here when it opened. But it don't matter. I'm going to continue to buy. Facebook, I should have bought. I should have purchased Facebook when it, but the thing with it, it's like it did drop, but it didn't drop that much. So I never pulled the trigger on this one. This one I should have. Peloton I love, and when it hit that 110, 111, I should have bought that because I ended up buying yesterday when it was like at 130, 129. I should have bought today, but again, it doesn't matter. We're gonna have the opportunity again. I think that this is just a reminder that you should continue to invest when red days like this one, they happen pretty much. If you ended up selling, chickening out and oh, I can't handle this, my recommendation is do not look at it. If they're solid companies, they're always going to stay there. The companies I invest are the ones I show you. These are my top stocks that I put in. So if I see any of these ones go in red, I load up the truck. Then I have my fund for the Troi Capital Fund, which I'm going to be posting. And this one's more more diversified, I would say. There's more companies. There's around 70 companies in here. I also have this on my M1 Finance. Stock buy is pretty much the same, but every time I see a red day on this ones, I'm gonna buy them heavily. So CCIV, I mean, this is a great opportunity to buy. This thing was like trading on the high 70s, I believe, and in my opinion, you wanna. This one is a good one. Lucid Motors is gonna be a good one. But again, my point is, folks, on days like this, you should buy. This is when people sell, they panic sell. And when you see things bouncing at the 100-day moving average, they usually follow that. I mean, usually things follow that. Look at Tesla. It perfectly bounced. It hit that point of 619.32. It literally hit that today. Like, let's look it up. Let's see, what was the low today? 619. And a year, if you go back to the year, the 100-day moving average is 619.32. It actually crossed below, but it's a perfect match. Things like this, they start you have let's just use this as an example. Relativity index, it's hitting the oversold, I'm sorry, at 30. The MACD, it's actually starting to cross the 100, it's trying to cross that line. And then you got the 100 and the 200. Obviously, if it goes to 200, then you should be concerned. But if it's bouncing, which it always does, if you look at the last 3 years, it pretty much bounced here, and then it's just gonna follow it. Obviously, this one, the trend's going up so much that you can't really predict the trend. But this one is just like this is perfect bounce. So folks, I'm expecting Tesla to recover a little bit. I think tomorrow's going to be somehow a green day. I think tomorrow we're going to have maybe another opportunity to buy. I don't think things are going to get to 620 again. I think that the opportunity was today to buy. And I think if you took advantage, great for you. I'm not buying anything in margin, but I just wanted to say, congratulations if you bought. Be very methodical on how you invest, little by little on red days, and in 10 years you're just gonna see the actual results of this. So folks, we'll talk tomorrow. We'll see what ARK Invest is gonna invest tomorrow again. I'm gonna try to continue to buy a little bit more of everything that's here in my list. And we'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed the day, and we'll recover tomorrow. See you later, folks.